Consciousness is one of the most enigmatic and complex topics in philosophy, science, and psychology. It is an inseparable part of human experience, yet defining its essence and understanding how it works remains a challenge for humanity. In the broadest sense, consciousness is the ability to be aware of oneself and the surrounding world. It includes our thoughts, sensations, emotions, memories, and capacity for reflection. However, the question of what consciousness truly is and how it arises remains unanswered. Consciousness is studied from various perspectives. Some philosophers see it as a fundamental part of reality that cannot be reduced to physical processes. This view, known as dualism, traces its roots to Descartes. According to dualism, consciousness exists independently of the body and matter. In contrast, materialism argues that consciousness arises from the complex workings of the brain. This perspective is supported by modern scientific research, which demonstrates the connection between neural processes and conscious experience. For instance, the functioning of specific brain regions is directly linked to self-awareness and perception. Another perspective is panpsychism, which posits that consciousness is a property inherent in all forms of matter. From this viewpoint, even the smallest particles of the universe possess some form of primitive consciousness. One of the biggest obstacles to understanding consciousness is the so-called hard problem of consciousness, formulated by philosopher David Chalmers. It questions why and how physical processes in the brain produce subjective experience. For example, while we might understand how the visual system works, the reason we perceive colors as we do remains a mystery. Some scientists argue that fully comprehending consciousness might be beyond human capabilities. This could be because we attempt to understand consciousness using the very tool that embodies it, our brain. Others believe that advances in neuroscience, artificial intelligence, and quantum physics might eventually provide answers. It's also crucial to consider the subjectivity of consciousness. Each person has a unique experience that cannot be entirely conveyed to others. This complicates the objective study of consciousness and its nature. While the question of the essence of consciousness may seem purely philosophical, its exploration has practical implications. It aids in understanding mental disorders, developing artificial intelligence, improving medical technologies, and addressing ethical questions. Consciousness remains a mystery even in the 21st century. It could be a fundamental property of the universe or a product of biological evolution. While science and philosophy have made significant strides in exploring this topic, the question of the essence of consciousness, its origins, and the nature of subjective experience remains open. Nevertheless, the quest to unravel this mystery not only enriches our knowledge but also helps us better understand ourselves. Thank you for watching.